Hello and welcome to Brain Skill Set. This video is part of the Excel Equations, Formulas, and Functions short series. Today we will dive into Excel's most basic equations, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Symbols you see highlighted in yellow are used as addition for the plus sign, subtraction for the minus sign, multiplication for the asterisk sign, and division for the / sign. In order for the Excel to calculate anything, formula should always start with equal sign. Otherwise, Excel might deem it as text and it will not calculate the equation. For example, here in the cell E2, I will write 10 plus 5 and press Enter. As you can see, it wrote 10 plus 5 but did not calculate the equation itself. Now I will try to input equation sign in the beginning. Excel now calculated the equation for us and directly gave us the answer. Let's move on to other examples. In order to calculate 17 minus 3, I will input equation sign and then type 17 minus 3 and push Enter button on my keyboard. Now I will calculate 4 multiplied by 3. I again will input equation sign first and then type 4 asterisk 3 and push Enter. To calculate 30 divided by 5, I will first input equation sign again and then type 30 / sign 5 and press Enter on my keyboard. Now, if you want to calculate longer equations that include multiple steps, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, you have to consider that Excel always calculates multiplication and division first, and then addition and subtraction. In order to avoid miscalculation, it is advisable that you use brackets. For example, here I want to calculate how much is 110 plus 30 divided by 2. If I input the equation as it is with the equal sign in the beginning, Excel will first calculate 30 divided by 2 and then add that to 110. If this is what I want, then I can leave the equation as is. On the other hand, if I want to calculate how much is the sum of 110 and 30 divided by 2, I will have to use brackets to isolate 110 plus 30. In this case, Excel will first calculate sum of 110 and 30, and it will then divide the result by 2. Let's say, now I want to check what I have written in the formula. In order to see the whole formula behind the calculated result, I can double-click on the cell which has the formula. Another option would be to single-click it and then refer to the formula bar which shows the whole equation. To sum up, in this video, we learned about the basic arithmetic operations and how the equations should be structured in order for the Excel to calculate them for us correctly. In the following video, we will cover most basic formulas such as sum, average, min, and max. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tutorial videos.